Welcome, viewers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of real property valuation. In this video, we'll explore the fundamental concepts that form the backbone of property valuation. Real property encompasses more than just land. It includes everything permanently attached to it, like buildings, trees, and fixtures. Let's also distinguish real property from personal property and understand why this distinction is crucial in the valuation process. Real property comes in various types, each serving different purposes. From residential to commercial, industrial to agricultural, we'll explore the characteristics and uses of these properties. Additionally, we'll look at properties based on their location, whether they're found in urban, suburban, or rural areas. Real property can have diverse owners, from individuals and businesses to government entities. We'll explore the different ownership arrangements, such as outright ownership, trust-held properties, and the concepts of leasing and mortgaging. As a real property owner, you possess certain legal rights, like the right to use and enjoy your property. But with these rights come responsibilities, including property maintenance and tax payments. Let's dive into these essential aspects of property ownership. Transferring property ownership can occur through various methods, like sales, gifts, or inheritance. However, the process can be intricate, and it's crucial to be aware of the legalities involved. Always seek professional advice before proceeding with any property transfer. Real estate transactions can be complex, involving buying, selling, or leasing properties. Understanding the various transaction types will empower you to make informed decisions in the real estate market. Real estate markets are ever-changing and influenced by numerous factors. By understanding these factors, such as economic trends, interest rates, and local development, you'll be better equipped to make wise investment decisions. Real estate professionals, like agents and brokers, are instrumental in the industry. They act as guides, helping you navigate the complex real estate landscape. Discover their role and learn how to choose the right professional for your specific needs. Congratulations on completing this insightful start into real property valuation. Understanding these fundamental concepts will give you a solid starting point in the world of property assessment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content.